New video 24 into 25 feet, 600 square feet house plan. This is construction work, 600 square feet area, okay, and plot area 28 into 29 feet. Okay, this is plot area. This is outside area, 28 feet and 29 feet. Okay. This is road, plot area, okay, and actual constructed area this area, okay, and this is wall, outside wall, this is outside wall, and this is outside wall, and distance construction building to plot area distance 2 feet, okay, distance 2 feet, and this side front side distance 2 feet, and this side distance 2 feet, 29 feet this side distance, okay, plot area. And this is inside partition wall, okay, this is inside partition wall, this is wall, partition wall, this is partition wall, and this is partition wall, okay, and this is stair part, stair area, okay, stair area, 3 feet wide stair area, and this is partition wall, and this is partition wall, Okay, partition wall. Okay, and this is main gate entrance. Okay, entrance and start. This is area, this area. Okay, plot area and road. Okay, this is plot area and road. This is plot area. Okay, this is plot area. Okay, this is plot area, and this is partition wall. Okay, and outside wall 125 mm and 5-inch wall, and inside wall 5-inch wall. Outside clearance plot to building distance 2 feet, 600 mm. This is partition wall and 125 5-inch wall. This is wall and this is wall. Okay, and this is stair and riser. Okay, stair and riser. Up start, and this window, ventilation window. Okay, window and window. Okay, window, ventilation window and window and window. Door. This is door. And this is door. Okay, and next part, gate, main gate up. Okay, and drawing and dining area 11 feet 2 inch, and this side area 9 feet 6 inch, and door kitchen area 6 feet distance, and this side 7 feet 6 inch, and this side area 4 feet 19 inch distance. Passage, open area, okay, door. This is bedroom, and distance 11 feet 7 inch and 9 feet 6 inch. Door, bath and latrine, distance area 7 feet 6 inch and 4 feet 4 inch. Okay, and door, bedroom, this is second bedroom, area and distance 11 feet 7 inch and 9 feet 6 inch. Okay, next, stair area 11 feet 2 inch total distance. Okay, and this distance 6 feet 4 inch and stair tread height 3 feet, this side 3 feet and this side 3 feet landing. Okay, this is up area and stair up and kitchen. This is starting drawing dining and open area kitchen and bedroom and bath and latrine. Okay, and next column, first 1 2 and 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, 7 8 and 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, 12 numbers column, column size 10 inch into 12 inch, 12 numbers. Okay, and construction cost 8 to 10 lakhs. Okay, this is 2 BHK house plan, 600 square feet, constructed area. Thank you for watching this video.